So we're just on our way to what is called the Sound Café, and the scenery around here, well, I unfortunately got the hedge then. I thought it actually dipped down like it normally does.
What are we doing a minute?
Yeah. Scenery is rather impressive. Now I think that's a normal house, but I think that one's... Is that one abandoned or not?
Yeah, abandoned, yeah.
So that one's abandoned, that one's a normal house, as you can tell.
But they think they still use parts of it, by the looks of it. But it used to be an old gate,
Yeah.
years and years ago. It used to be an old, used to be a gate on there.
That view is just immense. And on a day like this, it's even better. At times the road does get a bit narrow, so if you do plan on coming here, just have caution when you're driving. I'm sure there's a section down here where it's that narrow, there's no road markings.
No, it's down here. Yeah, it's further down.
I had a feeling it was. These bit of rocks there, that first one, that's the calf of Sound. That's right, isn't it?
This wood rock here is Kittlund.
Kittlund?
Kittlund, yeah. And then that's Calfaman.
How come it says different on Google Maps? That's weird. It says that's calf of Sound, and that I know that one's calf of Man.
Yeah.
But it says this one's calf of Sound.
That's Kittlund.
Right, so this one's Kittlund, this first bit of rock, and then the bit over there, without hitting the car window, that bit over there is the calf of Man. There's actually a house right at the top there. I don't know if you can see. It's a house right at the top.
I think it's a keeper's store, I think.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Nice bike. R1250. Yeah, so it's rather bloody nice here. That is one stunning view. And then behind me, you've got the Sound Café, which will be going in very, very shortly. So I'm just walking up to the Sound Café now. Is it busy?
It's in here.
Wonderful view. So I've gone for the kettle and breakfast, and to be honest, it looks small. That's because it actually is. And what is it you've gone for?
Veggie burrito wrap.
Veggie burrito wrap. Can you go this way? Yeah, go this way then. Sorry. It's a decent sized car park actually. Really good sized car park. With a little eating area outside. And then you get that fantastic view. You do get buses, but they park there obviously. It's a hell of a turn. I bet it's fun seeing them buses turn. Just wait for these cars to go past.